Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Loom Chrome extension to record videos and take screenshots directly from your browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and make sure you have the Loom extension installed. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the extension icon there, which looks like a small puzzle piece or grid. Click on this icon to reveal all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, look for and click on Loom. This will activate the extension and bring up the Loom interface. Once you click it, the Loom control panel will appear on the right side of your screen, giving you quick access to all the recording and screenshot features. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that you have two main options to choose from. You can either record a video or take a photo, depending on what you need for your project. These two options give you flexibility whether you're creating a quick tutorial, capturing feedback, or just saving something important from your screen. Let's start with the screenshot feature. Click on the camera icon to access the photo options. Once you click it, you'll see different screenshot types available. You can choose between Custom Area, which lets you select a specific portion of your screen, or Current Tab, which captures everything visible on your active browser tab. These options are useful depending on whether you need a full page capture or just a specific section. To take a screenshot, simply click Select Area. This allows you to drag and customize exactly what part of the screen you want to capture. Once you've selected your area, Loom will instantly take the screenshot and save it for you. It's that simple and saves you time compared to traditional screenshot tools. Next, let's move on to video recording. Click on the video icon to access the recording settings. This is where Loom really shines, offering you multiple ways to capture your screen and yourself. First, click the drop-down menu where you can choose your recording mode. You'll see options like full screen, which records your entire screen, window, which lets you pick a specific application or browser window, current tab, which only records the active browser tab, or camera only, which just records you without any screen sharing. Choose the option that best fits your recording needs. After selecting your screen mode, click the drop-down next to your camera option. Here, you can choose which camera device you want to use. This is especially helpful if you have multiple webcams or external cameras connected to your computer. Select the one you prefer for your recording. Then click the drop-down next to your microphone and choose the audio device you want to use. Whether you're using your built-in microphone, a headset, or an external mic, make sure to select the right one so your audio comes through clearly. Good audio quality is just as important as good video quality for professional recordings. If you want to add some extra polish to your recording, you can also click on Effects or Blur. These features allow you to add visual enhancements or blur your background if you're recording from home and want to keep things looking professional. It's a nice touch that can make your videos look more polished without needing extra editing software. Once you've configured all your settings and you're ready to go, click Start Recording. Loom will begin capturing everything according to the settings you just chose. You're now recording your screen, your camera, and your voice all at once, making it perfect for tutorials, presentations, or feedback videos. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used the Loom Chrome extension to capture screenshots and record videos. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.